Understanding Line 1 Stomach, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, Line 1 Stomach. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Line 1 stomach is an idiomatic expression. It means to eat a small amount of food before drinking alcohol. The idea is that having food in your stomach can prevent you from getting too drunk or feeling sick. It's often used in social contexts, especially when people plan to drink a lot. The phrase has an interesting history. It originates from the belief that food can absorb alcohol, reducing its effects on the body. While the science behind this is a bit more complex, the phrase stuck and is now a part of everyday English. Let's see how to use Line 1 stomach in sentences. 1. Before going to the party, I lined my stomach with a sandwich. 2. It's a good idea to line your stomach before you start drinking. 3. They always line their stomachs with a hearty meal before a night out. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different subjects. I, you, they. Understanding the cultural context is key. This phrase is more common in cultures where social drinking is prevalent. It reflects a common social practice and is a useful phrase for travelers or those living in English-speaking countries. That's all for today's lesson on Line 1 Stomach. Remember, it's a handy phrase, especially in social situations involving alcohol. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using English idioms. See you next time.